Once your activity gets created, we are going to rename this activity to home activity. Okay, let's click finish. So now what we have is, we have two activities. One is our main activity and second will be our home activity. Within this home activity, I would like to quickly create a text view here so that we can understand that we switched from main activity to home activity. So let's just take a plain text view. I'm going to drop the text view here at the center. And I'm going to change the text to, let's say I'm going to drop large text view here. And we're going to name it as let's just name it as home activity. Okay, so now you have got your home activity created here. Let's just save it, and now we'll get started with writing the code. To code, what we need to do is we need to use media player in order to play our music file for, let's say, 5 seconds, and as soon as 5 seconds complete, then we are going to switch from home activity to from main activity to home activity. Now to do this, let's go to main activity, and within this main activity, now I would like to get started with my code. So what next I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to make use of a media player. Using this media player, I'm going to play a music file, and once my 5 seconds complete, then I'm going to stop my music file and I'm going to switch from my main activity to home activity. To do this, we're going to make use of a class known as media player, and within this media player class, there is a method known as create. This create method is a constructor here. It's not a constructor, actually it's the default method which has to be executed in order to create an instance of media player class. Okay, with this media player class, what you can do is you can play your music file, you can pause your music file, and you can do a lot of things. And what next you can do is, let's say we have got that here, you have to provide the context wherein you want to create this media player, and you have to provide the name of the resource. This resource is the reference to your music file which you want to play. Okay, so now what we did, so we have created an object of media player, and now what we are going to do, we are going to provide the context, and we'll say we are going to create the object of this media player in the current context, and we want to refer to a file r.raw.audio. Okay, this audio will be your integer ID for your audio.mp3 file. Okay, once you have got this, now an instance will be, once the instance is created, we are going to store that into an object, let's say mp. Okay, and I'm going to create this object as a global variable here. So to do this, I'm going to create alt enter, and I'm going to create field mp. So once we do that, a private media player object will be created, and that will be created as a global variable. This is important because we are going to use this mp object in our post delayed method. Clear? So this is your reference to music file. Okay, reference मिल गया. अब हम क्या करेंगे, we are going to play or start the music. To start the music, you can execute mp.start. So using this, your media player will start playing the song, the audio.mp3 file. Okay, next what we need to do, now here what we'll do, we are going to post delay and execute. Okay, so to do this, we are going to create an instance of new handler. Okay, there is a class known as handler which we are going to use. Okay, so this handler will be from the package android.os, and within this handler we have a method. You'll get the object of handler using this new handler instance, and now on that object we are executing a method known as post delayed. Okay, what this post delayed does, it allows you to create a runnable and delay in milliseconds. Okay, so what you will be able to do, once you are going to execute this post delayed, a new thread will be created, and within that thread you will be able to specify some set of statements which you want to execute. Okay, these statements or this runnable will execute after a certain time delay. This delay will be in milliseconds. Okay, so let's just do that. To do this, we are going to use this method post delayed, and we are going to create new instance of a runnable. Okay, so we are going to create new runnable. Okay, so as soon as you select this, a new runnable instance will be created, and within that new runnable instance you will get a run method, and within this run method you have to specify your lines of code. Okay, and after this runnable we are going to specify the time duration. So let's say I would like to specify 5000 milliseconds, which actually specifies that after 5 seconds the code will be executed. Okay, and which code will execute after 5 seconds? The code which you will specify here. Okay, and let's say what I want to do, after 5 seconds I want to stop my music and I want to change from my current activity to home activity. Okay, so to do this we'll do something like this. If we'll check if media player is running, if mp dot, there is a method known as is running. Okay, is playing, sorry, we have a method if it's playing and it returns a true or a false. So if media player is running, then we are going to stop it, mp dot stop. Okay, clear? And then what we like to do, then we are going to change from current activity to new activity. Okay, to do this we are going to do something like this. Intent home is equal to new intent, and we are going to move from current context, get application context, to home activity dot class. Is that clear? And then we are going to start activity, and that is home. Okay, we are going to import so we are going to import that, and the task will be done, and we are going to close the current activity using finish. Okay, so is that clear? So now what we'll do, we are going to test this application on our device. So what we'll do now, once we are ready, we are going to test our application on our device. We are going to test application on our LG P500. Let me just connect to VNC viewer. So what we'll do, so here at the very bottom we'll have our application, Splash app. So as soon as we'll run, first of all what we have to do, now you can see that this will run, and after 5 seconds it will turn to home activity.